Namaste to everyone. My name is Lakshmikant. Today I am going to say Bhagavad Gita text 4 and text 5. Om Sri Mahaganadipati Devaya Namaha Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. Before me telling text 4 and text 5, I just want to tell an Ayurvedic remedy for everyone. This is Dhanurmasa, so it's very cold. So if you have a ginger tea in the morning or any time in the day, the coldness inside your body goes away and your body becomes a bit warmer. In detail, there is a white kapham that goes out and it becomes very hot inside, a bit warmer inside. And before going into the Bhagavad Gita, I just want to tell you a small story which has happened recently. So what has happened is, I was telling Bhagavad Gita at a place. So there were around 10 ladies who were listening to me very nicely. One fine day, what happened after 10 days? What happened is that I noticed when I was telling a Bhagavad Gita, one lady was not listening to me completely. In the sense, she was listening, but her mind was somewhere else. So after finishing on that day, after finishing my what I need to tell on that day, what I did this, I called her and asked what has happened. You are not concentrating in the Bhagavad Gita. What's happening? I asked her, and she was telling that I am worried because of my husband, because I haven't cooked anything at my place today. I am worried that my husband would hit me. So I asked her, why will your husband hit you if you are not cooking today? She was telling that my husband drinks daily, so he beats me daily. So if he comes to know I haven't cooked anything at home and I've come here to listen Bhagavad Gita, he would beat me. So she was afraid. Next, what has happened and what I have told her, I'm going to tell you in the next episode. So now let's directly jump into the Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita text 4. Atra Sura Maheshwasa Bhima Arjuna Samayudihi Yuyuddhano Viratasya Drupadasya Maharataha. Let's go deeper into this text. I'll translate it in the English. Here in the army, there are many heroic bowmen equal in fighting with Bhima and Arjuna. Great fighters like Yuyuddhano, Virata and Drupada is what the meaning of this sloka, text 4. Now let's get deeper into this text 4. In the text 3, I've already told you that Duryodhana is cautioning his teacher, his guru, Dronacharya, that what he need to do and what he need not to do. And now he's telling that Drishtadyumna is not a big obstacle in the face of Dronacharya, because Dronacharya is powerful military art. He knows powerful military art because Dronacharya only gave knowledge to his Shishya Drishtadyumna. But Duryodhana was telling that Drishtadyumna is not a big obstacle. There are many others who is the cause of our fear. There are many others, like just now I told Yuyuddhano, Virata and Drupada. These are formidably equal in Bhima and Arjuna, because Duryodhana knew the strength of Bhima and Arjuna. So that is why Bhima and Arjuna is being compared with Virata, Yuyuddhano and Drupada. Duryodhana is comparing them. This is what is text 4. Now let's jump into the text 5. Trishtaketu Saikitana Kasirajasya Viryavan Purajit Kunti Bhojasya Saivjasya Narapungavahan. let's go into translation in English. There are great heroic, powerful fighters like Drishtaketus, Saikitana, Kashiraja, Purujit, Kuntribhojasya and Saibya. These are also great powerful fighters which are present in Pandava's army. Great warriors. That is what Duryodhana is telling. Now, Om Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu Sarvavyadi Nivaranam Vishnum Namaha Harihi Om చేసిన పాపమూర్ఖనే పోదు అనుభవించక తప్పదు శిక్ష కర్మము ఎన్నడు ధర్మమును దాటదు నరుడా నీకు తప్పదు శిక్ష హరి ఓం స్వస్తి.